welcome to Family Worldwide Adventures. Today, me and Millie are going to be unpacking.
I think it's just packing.
Yeah, an order from Temu. I'm not sure how you actually say it. It's here. I'll put a logo here so you'll be able to see it. Yeah, so we're going to unpack. This is our first ever order. We've never shopped with them before. We have seen a lot of reviews. We was a bit iffy about it because obviously we've seen a lot of stuff to do with Wish that were bad.
Yeah, because they were like Wreck-It Ralph keychains.
Yeah, you picked Wreck-It Ralph keychains, didn't you?
I like
So what we're going to do is we're going to unpack it, and as we're unpacking, I'll show you the item. I will also put something here or here that'll show you what it should have been charged at and what we actually got it for. Before we start, one thing I will say is about the delivery company. Were absolutely fantastic. They kept us up to date. They sent emails to let us know when it had been picked up, when it had been given to the courier to be delivered, what time the courier was due. So they did keep us informed.
And there's stuff if you want something from the app.
Yeah, the app. One thing I will say about the app is if you do use it, I would set up a free Gmail account for the simple fact they do send you a lot of emails to do with offers that are on, recommending stuff that you've because of what you previously looked at or what you previously bought. So I would recommend setting up another email so you're not getting loads of emails in your email.
And one thing we have to, can you please subscribe?
Oh, you want people to subscribe to our channel? Right, now let's get on with the unpacking.
Wait, do you have to pack?
I have it here. Oh.
Are we going to get a squishmallow?
So I'll open it.
Why? What's that?
Because that's a sharp knife and I don't want you opening it.
Never do this, but only adults can do it.
Right, so the first thing we got, Millie absolutely fascinated by these.
Squishmallows.
It's the squishmallows.
I love squishmallows, but I only have one here. I have one here.
Yeah, you didn't get that from this company. But...
And it's a giant one. Oh my god.
Right, so there you go.
Come on, show it to them.
Go on then. So I'll put the information here about how much we paid for it and how much it's actually worth. I have seen these go, to be fair, on Amazon for about
those squishies.
£20-25, and I didn't spend that much. I only spent, I think it was
£5.
I think it was.
I didn't know that.
Or was it £3.50?
I
don't know, but as I say, I
think
put
it
the
was
information
£5.
here. Yeah. So what do you think to it?
I like it. That's the best squishmallow. Now I fucked out the friends.
Right, shall we move on?
Yeah.
Right, so this is one of the key rings.
I'm gonna wreck you.
There you go. Do you want to go and show it to the camera? You can see it. I will take pictures as well. And put them on so you can see them.
I'm gonna wreck you.
I can't remember everything I bought actually. I did buy just 8 items. I only spent £25 for the simple fact. One, I didn't know what the company, I didn't know what the company was like, and 2, I didn't know what the quality would be like. So far, I'm pretty pleased with the quality.
Yeah. I like it.
Go and show the camera. Don't go too close. Come back a bit. That's it. As you can see, I mean, they're super. They're actually really good.
I'm gonna get my painting.
Then
wait,
got
I want to show my painting.
What's the shaping? Even though it's not part of this.
Well, it looks like the Philippines.
Right, I did also get, because I'm interested in this diamond art. Yeah. So I did get a few items.
Yeah.
I did.
Back.
So we got.
I love these pictures. I'm going to put them on my backpack.
Yeah. We got a diamond art pen. I say I will take pictures and show you
What's that?
close up.
What's that?
That's one of the diamond art pens.
Oh, what do we do with that?
Used to pick up I think they call them drills. I call them gems, but I'm not too sure. You also get like a little pot that you use. So you like.
Which way?
Oh, you actually get a few in here. I thought it was only one. You actually get 3 waxes.
Which way is it?
So you put them inside the pen for picking up the gems.
Like that?
Yeah.
I know you got that. I love these squishmallows.
I know you love your squishmallows. So
I want to get more.
That's that. I also did get a pack of waxes.
Because we've run out.
But it wasn't just that. I thought there was only one in there, so I was quite surprised that there's 3 of them.
I got it.
So you get a little box. I say I will put pictures on as well so you can see.
Whoa!
And there's absolutely loads of waxes. I'll count them and put it on the picture.
Do you
how
want me
many
to
you actually
count
get.
them? I'll count them.
Okay.
I'll count them.
So that's that.
What's that?
This is for.
Oh, it's like one of them things where you have a diamond case. You like put pots in
It's for pouring the.
You got a pink one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's for pouring the gems into the containers because I have actually bought a diamond art storage thing, but the one that was in there I didn't really like it, so I bought this one. And to be honest, this one's miles better. It actually feels better.
Is it pink?
Yes, your favourite colour. Right, and this is the diamond art kit that I got. I was really pleased with this, how much it costs. So I'm hoping
Well, I love Snow
the
White.
quality's really good.
I love Snow White. I love Snow White.
I know you love Snow White.
Because it's like, she has pigeons around her. Can I show it to them?
So I will put a picture on of everything as well, so you can actually see it a bit better. I'll put them on at the end of this vlog.
Is that a poison apple?
So like say you get all your gems.
Is that a poison
yeah,
apple?
that's Snow White with the poison apple.
Because because like
Oh, you can get one of the pens and a sorting tray. And the last thing I bought was, I saw this jigsaw.
Yeah, I saw that too.
And it looks so cool.
Yeah.
But it's not a standard jigsaw. I'll open it up and show you what
I
I mean.
Come on, show it. Come on, show it.
It's not a standard jigsaw shape. They're all different shapes.
Is it a standard one?
No, it's not.
What?
It's different.
So what
This is an A3. Apparently, this jigsaw is an A3 size. We will be doing a vlog on it, so we'll see if it is actually A3.
Well, so we're going to play Roblox in a minute.
But if you look here,
Wait,
I'll do a picture, but do you want to just show that to the camera? Don't go too close, but show it. You can see they're all different shapes. So the jigsaw is actually made up of all different shapes. It's not a standard jigsaw shape.
Come on, show the...
It doesn't show it in the box there.
It just showed here.
I think it shows it on the thumbnail that I've done. But again, I'll take a picture and show you.
Wait, Mummy, is it actually
Wow. It smells all woody.
Yes, it smells all woody.
So far, I've been really impressed with the quality.
Well, I
And
love...
for the price we paid, I can't believe it, to be honest.
I love the Squishmallow, the Wreck-It Ralph Kitchen, and all of them.
You think they're good?
Yeah.
So I would definitely recommend
After
having a
this,
go.
we can play Roblox.
It's alright. Yeah, so as I say, I would definitely recommend giving it a go. Touch wood, I've had no issues with the app. I've had no issues with the order. Some people might be unlucky and they do have issues. I say I can't fault it. I really can't. They've kept me up to date from beginning to end. The only thing I will say is if you are in a rush for the stuff that you want, that will be an issue. For the simple fact that when I ordered it, I can't remember what date I ordered on, but they gave like nearly 2 weeks delivery slot. It did come quick.
Yeah, where did you get the app?
On the app, yeah. It did come quick. But they do say if they don't deliver by a set date, like mine was the 24th, September, they will give me a money back voucher for not delivering when they said they would. So, but they did. They delivered like 3 days earlier than the date that they said they was going to. That's nothing to do with this, babe. That's it, really.
I have one question. It's like about family questions. Why was this price?
I think, just pass us my phone. I think that was £3.
Alright. We're going to show you an app in a minute.
I said I will put on a screenshot of everything individually.
An app.
To what that I've shown. That was £3.78 and it should have been £14.19. But granted, as I say, I have seen these for £20-25 on Amazon.
I'm glad I've got a pink one.
So for £3.70, you really can't complain.
What would them keychains cost?
They were £1.79 each.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Alright.
So
what does this cost?
I would definitely say, guys, give it a go.
Yeah.
Install the app. 1 minute, babe. One thing it does do is it does store your credit card, debit card details. Once they shipped it out to me, I did delete it off because I saw something. It was on a YouTube video about details being stolen. Granted, this was in America, so I don't know if it's not as secure over there. It is over here. If you do scroll down to the bottom of the app, it does tell you about all its security. I don't know. You don't have to use debit or credit card either. You can use, there is different payment offers. You can use PayPal. There's some others on there as well. I say I'll put a screenshot of the app itself so you can see that at the end of this vlog.
Mummy.
But yeah, the only thing I can say is have a go. Have a look, see if there's anything you like, and have a go. Check on prices everywhere online. That's what I do anyway. I shop about. But yeah, I can't fault it. I really can't.
Install the app.
And install the app, yes. As Millie said earlier, if you like this video, please think about subscribing.
A comment.
And leave us a comment. Have you had a good experience, a bad experience?
Mummy, I really want to make our own channel with two of us.
Yeah. Give us a like.
Because Daddy has a new channel.
And that's all I can say. What?
Daddy has like a channel.
Our channel, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't just do this. We also like go to
theme parks.
Yeah, and we have got a lot coming up to do with Christmas as well. So
and tomorrow I'm going to school.
Yes. Right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And as I say, I'll put all the information on after this. Subscribe.
Any comments? Any questions?
Yes. Take care of yourselves.
Bye.